What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's technically fall season, more importantly hoodie season. I got some new lights and yo, actually it's one light. It's one light opposed to I was using like 2 to 3 different lights, and y'all, everything is like so much easier and everything just looks better on camera. My setup is easier, so I'm very happy about that. Like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My plan is to hit 100K by the end of this month or early next month. And yeah, let's get into this video. So this video is obviously about detangling. Now that's such a basic topic, but I thought it would be a good idea to make a video about this because this was a few weeks ago. I noticed when I was pulling my hair tie, like these hair ties right here, when I was pulling them out of my hair, there was a lot of hair left on the hair tie, and it was because I would just go days without doing anything to my hair, right? So like the back of my hair gets really dry, so it would dry and get matted and tangled up and get tangled with my hair tie. Long story short, I experienced a lot of breakage in the back of my hair. Like I think I lost an inch, maybe more. I noticed the back of my hair was shorter than it usually is. Now my hair in the back is already a little bit shorter than the hair on the sides or the front, just because I waited to the last minute to grow the back of my hair out. But it was like, to me, it was like drastically shorter. I started incorporating different things into my hair regimen, like just doing stuff that I've never done before, like using oils. You guys saw my hot oil treatment. I'll leave, I think it's up here. And like, I've never been too crazy about oils, but I use it as a hot oil treatment. Now I've been using it as like a pre-poo, which I will also break down in this video. I've been using it as like a detangler. I'm trying to minimize as much breakage and lost hair as possible. Now just a little disclaimer, this video is in partnership with Hair Stimulator. I'm going to be hosting another giveaway. Yes, another giveaway. So all you're going to need to do to join this giveaway is first just like this video. I always ask you guys to like the video at least. Like this video and then like the Facebook page, Hair Stimulator. Like just like it, check it out, see some of the posts, check out the website, just check it out, but make sure that you like the page. That's the biggest thing. Come back here and then just comment a way that I can reach you. Like if you were to win out and need some type of way to reach you, whether it be email or your Instagram handle. I do prefer Instagram because I feel like it's more accessible to people. With emails, I feel like people don't respond to the emails like that. This giveaway will be going on for a week, I'd say. So it starts today on Thursday and then will end next Thursday. 2 winners will be selected. One will be winning the Drenched Hair Stimulator Hair Growth Conditioner. Meanwhile, the other will be winning the Hair Stimulator Hair Growth Tablets. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you my detangling process. The biggest thing that I've been doing before, like I wash and condition my hair in the shower, all that's going to be in this video. So let's get into the video. So this is typically what my hair looks like when I've exhausted my wash and go for the week. It's generally pretty dry. The curl, there's still always a little bit of curl definition left for me, but my hair is usually dry. So for my DIY detangling mist, you're gonna need a couple things. A spray bottle that you don't really use, some coconut oil, argan oil just for shine, and then you're gonna need a conditioner of your choice. Since this video is in partnership with Hair Stimulator, I decided to go ahead and use their conditioner. And you're just gonna put a little bit of each of what I just showed you in your spray bottle. Put a little bit of water and then just spray it throughout your hair. Don't put a lot because water and oil doesn't mix. So if you fill the whole thing up with water, then the oil is just gonna rise to the top, and you're just gonna be spraying water and conditioner basically. So I spray it into my hair and I separate my hair into sections, and I'm basically just getting my hair damp. I'm not getting it soaking wet because it's not really necessary. The reason why I added coconut oil is because for whatever reason it's such a heavy oil, so that whenever I apply it to my hair, my fingers just glide through my hands. So it's really easy to just break apart certain strands and like tangles a mess. So that's really the whole reason for coconut oil. So doing this is actually pretty time consuming, but it does really cut back on how much hair I lose when I do it this way. When I do it when my hair is damp, I'm able to individually go in and separate each big tangle before I actually hop in the shower. And as you guys can see, you know, I really do not lose much hair at all. I'm going to use hair regardless because naturally we just shed hair. But there's nowhere near the amount of hair if I just were to jump in the shower and shampoo and condition like normal. After rinsing out my spray mixture, I then go in with the next product, which is the Hair Stimulator Hair Growth Shampoo. Now, I don't know if I've ever mentioned this in previous videos, but it has been reformulated, so it has a much thicker consistency than ever before. So I take it and then I work it into my roots. I start with my roots and then I work it throughout the whole length of my head until my whole head is covered with the shampoo, and then I rinse it out. Next up is the main star of the show, the hair growth conditioner. This conditioner has no sulfates, no silicones. It has Regenerex, which is the main ingredient for all the products really, and that's what really stimulates the follicles of the hair. The consistency is very thick, so it does have slip. It's not super thick, but it's like a happy medium between a thin conditioner and a really thick conditioner, so it's really nice. I really like it because it's a lot of bang for your buck, and not only that, but you do not need a lot to detangle your hair. Plus, since I did use it for my detangling mixture earlier, I don't really have to detangle my hair that much, so it's really a win-win with this product. Of course, if you guys are interested, I will leave a link to the Hair Stimulator website down below so you can check out the shampoo, the conditioner, everything else on the website. See for yourself, check out the amazing ingredients. So there's that. I'm going to be using this Tangle Teaser, and this is just going to be that final step of detangling my hair. This is also a game changer, y'all. It works for all hair types, so it's something that you can definitely invest in. And that's going to wrap up the detangling process. After I go in with the Tangle Teaser, I just rinse out the Hair Stimulator conditioner, and my detangling process is done. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, of course, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. And yeah, that's gonna conclude this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to me, baby.